Microsoft Copilot is a new way to help you streamline your daily tasks and enhance your personal productivity. If you're struggling with writer's block, Copilot is your creative partner, helping you craft written content with a tone that resonates with your audience. From drafting emails to composing blog posts, Copilot ensures your message is delivered with precision. I thought today I'd show you how you can use it in Microsoft Word. It will swiftly condense lengthy texts, providing clear, concise summaries. This is perfect for distilling meeting minutes or long contracts. It helps you grasp the essentials without fluff. You can also make informed decisions with Copilot's comparison tables. Whether you're weighing technical specifications for which new phone to buy or contrasting the quirky traits of dinosaurs and hamsters, Copilot presents data in an easily digestible format. You can choose a conversational style from more creative, more balanced, or more precise. Here, I'll have a go at comparison tables to show you how it works. Let's say I'm looking to buy a new dog. Which breed should I consider? I'm going to compare Jack Russell Terriers with Cocker Spaniels. Let's give it a go. So in Microsoft Word, you can see here, you've got this Copilot icon which you can click to begin the process and start your Copilot, or indeed you can click on Alt and I to begin your draft. Now I'm going to do this here. It says here, describe what you'd like to write, including notes or an outline, and Copilot can generate a draft to get you started. So here's my draft. Can you make a comparison table to compare the quirky traits of Jack Russells and Cocker Spaniels? And then I could reference a file, but in this case, I'm just going to push generate. It's now creating a draft, pulling things together. There's our heading. Okay, I can see one or two things like a little bit of American spelling and behaviour. And here we've got quirky traits and listed between the two columns. What are the traits of Jack Russells and what are the traits of Cocker Spaniels? There we go. So it's given us health and grooming, intelligence and temperament. And at the bottom, it gives you a little summary. So this is your Copilot window down at the bottom. It's giving the option to keep it, which I may well do, or I can regenerate it, I can delete it, or I can ask it to make it more formal. If I ask it to make it more formal, just have a go. It's redefining the draft. So you can ask it to have a go a few different times. Now look, this is certainly true as it's drafting it. I can see that Jack Russells are very vocal, will bark at anything that catches their attention, whereas Cocker Spaniels, not very vocal, will bark only when necessary. So this is very good. I like the quality of this. And it should summarise it at the bottom. Brilliant. So in this case, I'm going to keep it, and that has taken about a minute to generate that comparison table for me in Microsoft Word. I hope you find that useful.